Hey YouTube, it's Alicia Burton here, and I am here to show you some DIY artwork I did. So let me explain. I just did not want to spend an arm and a leg for artwork. And as y'all know, artwork sometimes can range from $5 to probably about $1,000. So what I did is I went and I brought canvases, paint, brushes, tape, and I created my own artwork. Well, I have two I don't have with me. Gotta check with my cousin, see when she's gonna get through with those because I did them, but she has to enforce them. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is the three art pieces that I have not yet hung in my kitchen. Now I'm going with these different tones of blue for the kitchen because I feel like that's, to me, is more appropriate. So let's get started. Now, some of the pieces, these two pieces in general, in the middle is not completely dry, so bear with me. So this one is this color, and it says "Eat Good," and it's just a little thing on there. For right now, I do not have. I'm waiting for it to dry because that's what it is. And this is like a turquoise type like blue with the light baby soft sky blue on it. So it says "Eat Good" on that one. Another one, and that one says "Eat Good." This one says "Eat Soul." Eat good, eat soul. And I just thought, okay, that's a good saying to go in the kitchen. You eating good, you eat good, but you eating soul, like soul food. One is like lighter, and then the one is sort of darker. And so the other piece that's gonna go up in there is this piece right here. Let me step back so y'all can see it. And this is a combination with glitter on there. So I just thought, okay, that's a good piece to go in the kitchen. So that's what's in the kitchen. And these next two pieces I'm going to show you are the living room piece. I have, I have, well, I might just put the other one on there, but I have two pieces I'm going to show you for the living room. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm working on the fourth one, but let me just get started. So the very first one I ever did was this one right here. So I end up hot gluing, not hot gluing, E6000 gluing it, and I just painted it and stuff. And so this is just painted, and it is got paint on it. It has this gray called Dolphin Gray, and it has touches of dark gray in it with silver in it, and the spray, it has glitter on it. And the glitter was accidental, and I just thought it just looked good. So as it went, I just decided, okay, I'm gonna keep going with it. So I went with it, and I added a little bit of metallic spray. Let me find it. Krylon metallic spray paint over it, and it looks. And this was the finishing product. That turned out was the reason why I started it. Then this next piece is this another one. Yeah, so that's this piece. And it is done with the same type of gray, but with a little more darker tone grays in it. So the other pieces I'm going to show you is the bedroom pieces. Beautiful thing. They are beautiful. So let's get started. So the first one is this piece that I put together. I can't remember the sizes of the canvases. I think some of them are 11 by 14, 20 by 24 is the one I'm working on, and I think 14, 7 by 10. I mean, they're different sizes, so whatever is your preference, you can do. So this one is purple, mostly different tones of purple to get this color with the glitter, with the silver in it. So yeah, it gives that beautiful, step back, beautiful shine and thing. So yeah, so that's that piece. And so then the second piece, I decided to do a little polka dot like thing, and it turned out great. So I had taped it off a little bit and gave it a metallic silver base, and it turned out pretty well. So here's this. Turn it this way for y'all to get it better. And you can kind of see the colors of purples that I have been using. So yeah. So then the next one I use, this is the last one, is this runny color effect. And I started off with white, and then I gradually just worked and worked. And I actually glued it together, and it turned out pretty well. And I actually did a little bit of silver on there to give it a effect too. So yeah. But that is but I do have another piece. It is sort of like a real darker gray. It's like mixing white and gray together, and you get a little darker. And I have some hearts on there, and the words on there is "Love Yourself." 1984 baby. I was born in 84, so I'm I'm a 1984 baby. So yeah, these are the DIY pieces. I'm still working on another piece, and the next one I will have to finish it, but I'm waiting for my craft stuff to get here, because I will be crafting a table. And it's going to be very interesting. Until then, I'm Alicia Barton. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.